Hello? Oh my god. Oh no! Meow, 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 ow! You're mean.哎呀，手欠儿，大碗。哎呀！Yeah. Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Come on. Come on.
You some good girl? Whoa! Bro! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
You are the only thing holding together my mental health. You understand? You cannot escape. You cannot leave this house. You are too important.
Tomasiro fully understands the assignment of mental health protector.
No me responda. No y no. Si yo te mataré, yo te debo salir, ¿ok?
A typical conversation between dog person and a cat.
Що ти мамаєш? Мама тут сидить. Та хоч гав. Апчі. Будь здоров.
We all realize what Bro just stepped on. You think getting ignored hurts? Try getting judged by a cat.
This guy just licked my head. Do that again. Oh, now you're getting all shy. Huh?
Come on, Louie.
Barbie.
Hold on, okay. Can you hold on?
You can show me one more vlog.
Yeah, I've been here the whole time.
Everything that was going down for a reason, and she wasn't doing them.
Excuse you!
Meow, 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 meow.
Wait, dude, wait. Espérate. Espérate.
Hi, kitty. Can Mama give you some huggies? Some kissies? Some scrubbies? No? Ow! Let me just pet. Let me just pet. Let me just pet. Ow!
Laying on you is a privilege, but touching the cat is blasphemy. The cat boss has absolute power on this bet.
Really black, like.
This is Henry. Say hi.
Want some cheese? When do you want it?
Imagine you waste $300 for the emergency vet because your cat sounds like a broken Ferrari struggling up the hill, just to find out your cat is mad you went on vacation without her.
It's so good.
Lethal.
A new toy. This cat seems to be saying, "I'm busy resting, I'll play later."
What do you get when you mix a mosquito with a cat? Yes, you get one demanding meow-squito.
When a cat meows like this, it means they're feeling really lonely. Go to them now.
3 a.m. daily vlog from the shower tray.
Hey, stop. Give me my gym. Stop. Stop. Dude. Give me the... Give me the Slim Jim.
When spare human tries to pet you. That was the biggest nope in the land of no petty nopes.
Do.
Peanut, 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 no, peanut, no, peanut, peanut. Give me the shit. Don't.
We're almost done. Just a little bit more. A little bit. No more.
Khi mà bóng muốn đòi ăn sẽ như thế này. Đó. Rồi có thể đẩy sang cái ngồi chờ mình đến được.